lymphatic drainer. What I mean by that is that it helps the lymphatic system to move things along quickly. The lymphatic system is that other circulation in the body, other than the arteries and the veins, that moves toxic substances around the body, but literally it just moves it around without an expulsion. But the guinea hen weed literally encourages the lymphatic to become more active, to become more forceful, and to move the things not just around but also out of the body through the intestines. So as a result of it being such a wonderful lymphatic drainer, it is actually an excellent blood and body purifier. So it purifies the body of whatever toxic buildup you have had. So when people take the guinea hen weed for cancers are basically people who have suffered from massive toxic buildup over a long period of time. And if they have wonderful lymphatic drainage, which is what the guinea hen will promote, they will in fact have better control of the condition that they're calling cancer. Many people also take guinea hen weed for problems like migraine headaches. And some people tell that they don't even need to swallow it. All they need to do is to hold it or inhale it. That's how powerful it is. Because the inhalation is literally as effective as putting it into your body. Because it provides an energy, and the energy that it provides, the body can absorb through the gut, through the nasopharynx, and it triggers a reaction to boost the lymphatic drainage of the body. And once the lymphatic drainage is improved, the body cleanses better than it was before. So basically, it's a wonderful lymphatic drainer, and anything that gets improved by the lymphatic functioning better will benefit by using the guinea hen. Most Jamaicans tend to use the root of the guinea hen plant, but my recommendation is that if you keep using the root, then not only you have any guinea hen left, but the entire plant is wonderful. The entire plant does exactly what the root does. So you don't need to just use the root of the guinea hen. Any herb that we can speak of, there's always a warning against it. But you need to ask who is giving the warning and why. And the warning is always from the pharmaceutical companies because they don't want any competition. They will take the guinea hen weed, extract a part of it that does something beneficial, sell it as a tablet and tell you how wonderful that is. But if you can use it by itself and get the same benefit, they don't want you to do that. So there's always a fight against the use of herbs. But I'm not here to promote herbs to anybody, I'm here to tell people that nature provides us with the answers and the solutions. And it's not just in the herbs, it's in the entire nutritional portfolio, which includes the food that we eat. And if we're eating properly, we wouldn't need these things, we wouldn't need procuring anything.